Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 25 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, in 1/8 scale from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now if you'd like to grab this and build along one of these with me, go to their website. There's a clickable link to follow in the description below. And you too can be building one of these on your bench, folks. Let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine. Stage 25 is the floor panel. This is going on the chassis section that we've been doing in the previous issues. And we're working around about the midpoint of our Ford Falcons today, folks, okay? This is giving us all the concise details of where the parts are going in our Falcons, how to fit them together, and to screw them in place. And then this is what we're going to end up with at the end there, a nice fielded chassis section there ready for the front parts, looking rather splendid, folks, okay? What we've then got at the very end here is Goldfinger. This is the Aston Martin DB5, so there you go. It's a recreation of the 64 James Bond Aston Martin photographed at Hampton Court Palace in 2023, folks. So there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this to one side, bring our parts in. We'll do a bit of assembly for you, folks, okay? So that's the part we've got this week, one of these. And this is going to be closing off the chassis section that we've previously been doing, which is this one, okay? So it literally just fits on like so. Just go around, press the periphery to make sure it's all in place. And then the first screw I'm going to be putting in is going to be the PS08 with the built-in washer. So if I get that one in now, I know it's done. That goes right at the back here on the tunnel, and just screw it in place like so, with the obligatory bit of oil in, and that will pull that one in nicely. Start grabbing the DS2 screws now, and we can now work our way around the periphery and secure this in situ now. So, grab another screw, little bit of oil, go around this one, and the next one, just like so. Close that one off just there, and then we can do the same the other side then. So I'll turn that round, just like so, and then we can work our way back round this side now, just like that. Pink, one there. Then the next one, pop that in place. And a couple of more screws to go, just like so. And that then brings the edges of the tunnel together and leaves us just this top screw here to go. Like so. And that is this section done now. So we've closed in now the whole centre of that floor section. And that's what she looks like underneath, folks, okay? So there you go. So that's today's issue done for you. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these on your bench, folks, follow the link there to the Hachette website. There's a clickable version below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building of the madmax Ford Falcon in 1/8 scale. Yes, folks. You know you want to. Also, to help me out, if you can just click the little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, give the bell a quick ring. Select all and you'll get notified of upcoming Partwork content and scale modelling content, folks. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.